You need to watch this if you struggle with finding peace and prosperity. Let's dive into the blessings of Orie Market Day. Greetings from Obi Nnukwu Chineke. You are blessed to witness the wonders of Chukwu Okike Abiama, the owner of humans and language for communications. Feel the power within you, nurtured by the wind, water, and sand. These elements sustain your life and guide your actions flawlessly. Today, the 4th of September 2024, is Orie, a sacred market day in Igbo land. On this special day, may you find prosperity in your business and handwork, placing food on your table. May the wind, water, and sand, our eternal guides, fill your life with good things. Be happy with your life and be kind to others. Through kindness and happiness, you'll find peace in this world and the next afterlife. Remember, the invisible body you see in dreams is a reflection of your true self after death. You are truly empowered to be creative with your brains and 5 fingers through the existence of the wind, water, and sand that's sustaining your life and monitors your activities without error to avoid blacklist after death. Be happy with your life and be kind to your fellow human beings so that after this life you will gain peace with your invisible body that you normally seize in your dreams while sleeping. From Obi Nnukwu Chineke, aka Wind, Water, and Sand, the blessings of the universe, Orie Nnukwu Chineke, the messenger of the truth after life.